What's up, party people? Welcome to my channel. My name is Haley. I am so excited today because I'm here at my new makeup desk. So today what I want to do is introduce you to my new makeup desk and my new background, and then kind of give you a tour of how I organized everything. And then later on in the video I am going to show you the process of building this bad boy, because yes, it is entirely hand built. So my husband built this for me, and I don't even know really how to thank him. I didn't ask for this. He completely came up with this idea on his own. Like, hello, husband award. He completely came up with this on his own, and he said, I'm gonna build you a desk. I said, oh, okay. I mean, I'll take it. So he spent months working on this desk. It is finally here, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and do a tour. Alright everybody, I'm going to start here at my chair. I got this from somebody, I believe it was on Facebook, but it is adorable, and it actually it's really funny because this was a bar stool, so it was super high, and we just cut the legs off, and I know it looks really funny short, but I absolutely love this chair. It's got some nice studs on it. The back is this cushiony pattern. Like, I absolutely love this. So let's just do a quick little overview of my desk here. So once again, my husband built the actual desk itself. There's some wood under here, and then I created this kind of V pattern with the wood on top. My husband also got these lights. They are, I'm going to try to get up close. They're like a triangle shape. It is a tube, like, I don't know if it's called a tube light or a rope light because of the triangle shape. But anyways, there is a switch under here, so it turns it off, turns it back on. It's pretty good. And I've tried this lighting out in all kinds of light, and it is absolutely amazing. So one cool thing is there's also a drawer here, and I don't really know what to put in it right now. So I have a phone charger because I do have an outlet here. So far I just have this extra mascara that I haven't opened yet because I don't want to put it up here yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and read across like a book here and show you everything. So I have a candle, lovely candle holder from Bath and Body Works, and I'm gonna move that carefully so I can pull this out a little bit. So I've had these clear organizers for quite some time, before Marie Kondo, before the home edit, before all of this. So I'm going to show you how I organize them, and I really did try to actually organize this time. I did actually order more. I ordered an extra smaller one because I was running out of space. So here I put my sponges, Tati Beauty, Blendiful. And then I go into my brushes. So on this side, I try to put more flatter brushes, smudging, shading, all of that. Then going into the blending, the fluffies. I have some lip products here. I really wanted to utilize these little cubbies because they're perfect for lipsticks. Then I have one powder foundation that I reach for quite often. Going over to the next drawer, I have two palettes on top that wouldn't fit in everything. So I have Morphe and the Natural Lace. Then going into the top drawer here, I have my concealers. Then I have sharpeners and a big giant brush that would not fit anywhere else. Oh no, this one's so full. This is why I had to get another one. And it's still full. Single eyeshadows. Only singles. Going into eyeliners next. Then going into blush. Then foundations. So here I have a mirror, and what I actually plan to do is pull it out towards me whenever I want to do my makeup. This mirror does plug in and it does have lights, but I don't really need it anymore. I don't need the lights because I have all these fabulous lights around me. So I am just going to pull the mirror out when I am using it and then just kind of tuck it away when I am not. Moving on to my next organizer, I have this wonderful thing that my husband 3D printed for me to hold my lipsticks in, and this is what I was holding all of them in before I got you know, more of these. So I was holding them here. As you can see, I did a little purging. There is room for some more. Next, going into highlighters. Then this one is kind of a mismatch. I have brow, lash, and eye primer. Then going into eye quads or little tiny mini palettes here. So I moved those from the other eyeshadow drawer into their own. Finally, mascaras. Moving on, I have face brushes, eyelash curlers, and more lip products. Then over here to this this thing that I actually got from a retail store that was going out of business. They used to put like papers in here, but I put some palettes in there because, you know, it works. Some deodorants. Now, I honestly don't like how things are going on the side, but I figure that this is the best way that I can do it for now with the most room here. So I'm still open to playing with it, but for now I am really happy with how this turned out. I am absolutely in love with this desk. So if you want to see how this desk was made, go ahead and keep on watching. I have absolutely zero clue what is happening right now.
I guess the 2.5 is...
So this house is incredibly oddly shaped. There's a lot of different lines and angles that I don't know what these people were thinking when they built this house, but we're going to work with it. So I'm going to show you the space that my makeup vanity is going to be in, and it's in one of those weird nooks and crannies that my house has. So I think it's going to be perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around and show you, and then I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning it out. Right, so here is the space that the makeup vanity is going to be in.
Yeah. All I gotta do is just reel this thing back up. It's level, so whenever I would line that up again, it'll line up everything else again. So I'm gonna build it, and then I'll cut the chair to the height instead of trying to do that, because I don't know what the incidentals are gonna be. So
Thank you so much for coming with me on my desk journey today. You're going to be seeing a lot more of it from now on. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon.